Hello everyone. In this session, we're going to discuss one topic on the course Elements of Aeronautics. The topic is lighter than air aircraft. Myself K. Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Aeronautical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Lighter than air aircraft. Usually if we classify the aircraft means it's classified into two types. One is heavier than aircraft and another one is lighter than air aircraft. If any aircraft with low spy class which is lighter than air and contained in the aircraft is known as either aerostat or aerodyne, depend upon its tethered condition. For example, the aerostats are captive balloons and airships. Today we are using lighter than aircraft or almost only for recreation purpose. Lighter than air aircrafts are classified into three types. First one, airship. Second one, free balloons and captive balloons. And the last one is hot air balloon. An airship or a dirigible is a type of aerodyne or lighter than air aircraft that can navigate through the air under its own power. The airship gained their lift from large gas bags filled with a lifting gas that is less dense than the surrounding air. Usually they go for a hydrogen air or helium air. Here the airship is classified either in aerodyne or aerostat. If the airship is tethered and if it's a fixed means it's come under aerostat. If it's movable means it's aerodyne. These are all the components of airship. Okay, here we have a large envelope, okay, which is filled with gas. If you see here means light deck. It is otherwise called as gondola region, where the passenger can stay. Here we can see the motors, and here the rear we can see the control surfaces. And here we have the mooring system. The next one is the free balloons. Usually the free balloons are either aerostat or aerodyne. If it's a fixed means it's aerostat. If it's floatable and free means aerodyne. A balloon is an unpowered aerostat which remains aloft or floats due to its own buoyancy. A balloon may be free moving with wind. The next one is the captive balloons. Usually the captive balloons are all tethered, which will be used for only for the advertisement purposes. A tethered or moved or captive balloon is a balloon that is restrained by one or more tethers attached to the ground and so cannot float freely. That means it can move in either direction, but it was tethered to the ground. The last one is the hot air balloon. Here the lift is attained by heating the air. You see the envelope. Here we use the burners to heat the air inside the envelope. If we heat it means it becomes lighter than the outside air. So it moves up. That's why we can get the lift here. These are all the components in hot air balloon. Envelope, this envelope, basket, burner, fuel tank and instrument to navigate. These are all the some pictures of a hot air balloon. Here the fuel tanks are able to see how they heating the air inside the envelope. Okay, thank you.